Hello guys and welcome to a special episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys, special episode to kasi parang series of episodes to kasi I am so blessed by the Lord na nabigyan ako ng opportunity to study here sa Harvard Business School. Okay? So sa Harvard University. So natanggap tayo sa isang leadership course. It's a 1-week leadership course and syempre grab the opportunity, 'di ba? So ipapakita ko dito sa series of vlogs na gagawin ko is yung paano, yung pagpunta dito, yung ano yung experience dito, ipapakita ko yung rooms, yung dining hall and everything. Antabayanan nyo, i-check natin para ma-experience natin pare-pareho kung paano ba mag-aral dito sa Harvard Business School. So, tignan natin. So guys, here's my room. That's my name. And this is my room. Go open this one. And when you open, always a small cozy place. Okay naman. Maganda siya. Yan. We have a bed here. Yan, nilagay ko na yung gamit ko dyan. Ayan. My telephone. Tignan muna natin yung CR kung maganda yung CR. So, okay naman. Ayan. Tapos let's see kung ano yung meron dito. Oh, merong ballpen. Ayan. Harvard Business School. Ganda. Tapos this is my parang welcome memo plus ano to, ID. Ayan. Merong wellness information. Uy, merong libreng libro. Ayan. Kasi yung parang main lecturer namin for this week, si Anthony Mayo. So, book author siya. So, ayan. Place, Work, and Leadership. Tapos ito. The Greatest Business Leaders of the 20th Century. Siya rin. Uy! Meron pang autograph na. Nice. Hindi na kailangan pa autograph. Ayun rin, autograph na. Ano pa? Uy, meron dito. Libreng payong. Harvard na payong at saka bag. Magagamit ko to. Harvard Business School na bag. Ayan. So, maliit lang yung room. Tapos tingnan natin, pag inopen natin to, ano makikita? Yung parang camp, yung parang park. As you can see, medyo may snow pa. So medyo malamig sa labas. Pero, saya. Ayan. So, mamaya i-tour natin yung food hall tsaka yung mga classrooms. Okay? So we are here at Executive Education Line. So this is the food hall. So eat all you can dito. So you can eat anything. There's chicken tenders. Daming food. Merong dispenser ng soft drinks. Ito mga bread. May soft drinks. Ayan, may coffee. Ito mga breakfast. Kasi parang brunch to. May mga fruits. Ayan, may mga dessert. And you can bring it to your room. So, different, ito vegetarian place. Ito yung breakfast. Ayan, may bacon, sausage, egg.
mainly the main lawn of HBS. Whenever there's graduation around, the big ceremony of commencement is done at the college in front of Widener Library. We have the Baker Library. It's named after him. This is the biggest building at HBS.
Today guys is my second day of my stay here at Harvard Business School. So, kwento ko lang sa inyo, no? Yung program na kinuha ko, it's a 6-day program about leadership. And today is the second day. Yesterday, we had a campus tour. Tapos we had our first session. Then after that, merong parang opening reception with wines, tapos konting pika-pika. Then we had dinner, no. So dito sa campus, pag kumuha ka ng short course, free ang lodging, tapos free din ang lahat ng food. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, free. Tapos pinakita ko yun dun sa first video ko, no. So yun, so ang saya kasi dung dinner may wines rin na sinerve, unlimited coffee, unlimited soft drinks. Tapos today is our second day, so this day, whole day talaga to. So we have like 2 sessions in the morning, 2 sessions in the afternoon, and ayun rin yung may breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Actually medyo maaga pa ngayon, around 6 a.m. And ready na ako kasi I'll go to the cafeteria for breakfast. Kasi 8 o'clock, meron kaming group session. So parang ganun dito eh. So may group session muna from 8 to 8:45. Then we go to our classroom at 9 o'clock in the morning. So siguro yung group session, meron kaming parang small group of around 7 to 8 fellow students. Tapos, pinag-uusapan lang namin kung ano yung pag-aaralan for today. So, I'm excited to talk to them about their insights dun sa mga case studies na pinigay, as an assignment. So, yun lang. So, later, meron sila dito yung tawag nila co-op. So, yung co-op, it's a parang specialty store where you can buy like shirts or caps. If I can manage to squeeze in na makadaan ako doon tapos ma-videohan ko rin. So, let's see. Tignan natin. So, bye for now. So, we're here guys at Harvard Square. Tapos ito, restaurant Toscano. Tapos ito, merong chocolate na store. Sabi ni Mateo, kailangan raw makabili dito. Tapos para pasalubong. So, pasok tayo. So, ayan guys, nasa loob tayo nung shop. So ito raw yung kanilang world famous na drinking chocolate yan. Dark chocolate. So as you can see, cafe rin siya. So famous sila sa chocolate drink yan. But they also have yung mga chocolate bars. Ayan. Pero ito, bibili tayo nito. Itong chocolate na drink. Ayan. So nakakatawa nga guys, kasi pag tinignan mo yung kanilang logo B, parang attorney B lang, di ba? Ayan. So if you're in the Boston area, must raw to na bumili kayo dito ng LA Burdick handmade chocolate drink. Ayan guys, so sabi nila when you go here sa Boston, you need to try the lobster roll. Ayan, so I'm eating a traditional Boston lobster roll. Ayan, tapos kasama ko, ayan.
Hello, mga vloggers dyan.
Mateo and another friend na nakita ko na Pinoy friend na nakita ko na nandito. No? So, ayan, so pinakita ko lang sa inyo what we're eating and mamaya ikikwento ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari sa school ko. Okay. Ayan guys, so ayan siya. Tapos libre lahat. So ito libre. Ito ininom ko ngayon. White wine. Tapos pwede ka rin kumuha ng mga drinks na gusto mo. Ayan, so may mga tubig, coke, soft drinks, mga juice. Meron ring mga beer. Saka kung ano-ano pa. Tapos, ayan, nakikita-kita lang lahat, nagkikwentuhan. Yung lahat ng mga participants dito.